This German engine sends mechanics running for the hills, and for good reason. While it produces incredible power and sounds amazing, one simple repair can bankrupt you faster than any other power plant ever built. The Audi 4.2-liter V8 FSI, the mechanic's nightmare. The Audi 4.2-liter V8 FSI engine found in B6 and B7 S4 models from 2003 to 2008 is simultaneously one of the most beloved and most feared engines in automotive history. This naturally aspirated masterpiece produces 344 horsepower and one of the greatest exhaust notes ever created, but it harbors a design flaw so catastrophic that most mechanics refuse to work on it. According to Consumer Reports data and extensive Audi World Forum documentation, this engine represents the pinnacle of Audi's naturally aspirated V8 engineering. The all-aluminum construction, variable valve timing, and sophisticated intake system create incredible performance and an intoxicating sound that makes owners fall in love instantly. But here's the deadly secret that Audi engineers buried deep in this masterpiece. The timing chain components are located at the back of the engine, pressed against the firewall where they're completely inaccessible with the engine in the car. When these components inevitably fail, the repair requires complete engine removal, turning a routine maintenance item into a financial disaster. The failure progression is predictable and devastating. Between 80,000 and 120,000 miles, the plastic timing chain guides become brittle from heat cycling and oil contamination. The hydraulic tensioners lose pressure and can no longer maintain proper chain tension. First, you hear a distinctive rattle on cold startup that disappears after a few seconds. This is your only warning. Why mechanics run away? Independent mechanics refuse to work on the 4.2-liter V8 FSI because the repair is so labor-intensive that it's financially impossible to complete profitably. The engine must be completely removed from the car, requiring specialized equipment and 40 to 60 hours of labor. Here's what the timing chain service actually involves. The entire front end of the car must be disassembled. Bumper, radiator, air conditioning condenser, and cooling fans. The engine must be separated from the transmission and lifted out of the engine bay. Only then can mechanics access the timing components at the back of the engine. Most independent shops lack the specialized equipment required for engine removal on modern Audis. The job requires engine hoists, transmission jacks, and extensive workspace that many shops simply don't have. Even shops with proper equipment often refuse the work because the labor time makes it unprofitable. The parts costs add insult to injury. Timing chain guides, tensioners, chains, and related components cost $2,000 to $3,000. Labor charges range from $6,000 to $9,000 at independent shops. Audi dealers charge $12,000 to $18,000 for the complete service, often exceeding the car's value. Consumer Reports data shows that 60% of these engines require timing chain service before 120,000 miles. Many owners discover that repair costs exceed their vehicle's worth, leading to total financial loss. This economic reality explains why mechanics avoid these engines entirely. The engineering brilliance and fatal flaw. The irony of the 4.2-liter V8 FSI is that it represents some of Audi's finest engineering work, ruined by one catastrophic design decision. Every other aspect of this engine is exceptional. It's the timing chain placement that creates the nightmare scenario. The all-aluminum construction reduces weight while maintaining strength. The variable valve timing system optimizes power delivery across the rev range. The intake manifold design creates incredible airflow and that legendary V8 sound. According to automotive engineering analysis, this engine produces more power per liter than most competitors while maintaining refinement. But Audi engineers made a fatal decision during development. To optimize weight distribution and packaging, they placed the timing chains at the back of the engine where space was available. This decision prioritized vehicle balance over serviceability, creating a maintenance nightmare that would haunt owners for decades. The timing chain system itself isn't inherently flawed. It's the placement that creates the problem. The same components work reliably in other Audi engines where they're accessible. The plastic guides and hydraulic tensioners are adequate for the application when they can be serviced regularly. The real engineering failure was not considering long-term serviceability during the design phase. German engineers created a masterpiece that becomes worthless when routine maintenance is required. This represents the dark side of German over-engineering. Brilliant solutions that ignore practical reality. The cascade of failures. When timing chain components fail on the 4.2-liter V8 FSI, the damage extends far beyond the timing system itself. This interference engine suffers catastrophic internal damage when timing jumps, multiplying repair costs exponentially. Here's the deadly sequence when timing chain guides disintegrate. The plastic guides break apart, allowing excessive chain slack. The timing chain jumps one or more teeth on the sprockets. Pistons hit valves at full compression, bending valves and potentially cracking pistons and cylinder heads. The interference design means that timing chain failure often destroys the entire top end of the engine. All intake and exhaust valves may require replacement. Cylinder heads need complete rebuilding or replacement. In severe cases, pistons crack and cylinder walls are scored, requiring complete engine reconstruction. What starts as an $8,000 timing chain service becomes a $15,000 to $25,000 engine rebuild when internal damage occurs. Many engines are declared total losses because repair costs exceed replacement engine prices. This cascade effect explains why the 4.2-liter V8 FSI has such a terrible reputation among mechanics. According to BimmerPost and Audi World Forum data, owners who ignore the timing chain rattle warning face a 70% chance of catastrophic engine damage. The window between first symptoms and failure is often just months, leaving little time for preventive action. The hidden costs beyond repair. The 4.2-liter V8 FSI's reputation creates hidden costs that extend far beyond the actual repair bills. These engines have become so notorious that they affect resale values, insurance costs, and even parts availability. Resale values plummet once these cars approach 80,000 miles because buyers know about the timing chain issue. According to Kelley Blue Book data, B6 and B7 S4 models depreciate faster than comparable BMWs and Mercedes due to the engine's reputation. Many cars become worthless before the timing chain actually fails. Insurance companies often total these vehicles when timing chain failure occurs because repair costs exceed the car's actual cash value. This creates a vicious cycle where more cars are scrapped, reducing the used car supply and making remaining examples even riskier investments. Parts availability is becoming problematic as Audi discontinues components for these engines. Timing chain guides and tensioners are still available, but other engine components are increasingly difficult to source. This scarcity drives up repair costs even further and makes the engines even less attractive to mechanics. The reputation also affects the broader market for Audi performance cars. Many enthusiasts avoid all Audi V8 models due to the 4.2-liter FSI's notorious reputation, even though later engines don't share the same design flaws. This guilt by association damages Audi's performance car credibility. Even though later engines don't share the same design flaws, this guilt by association damages Audi's performance car credibility. Why some owners still love them. Despite the catastrophic repair costs and mechanical nightmares, some owners remain devoted to the 4.2-liter V8 FSI because of its exceptional character and performance. These engines represent naturally aspirated V8 perfection when they're running properly. The power delivery is intoxicating, linear, smooth, and building to a crescendo at 7,000 RPM that few modern engines can match. The exhaust note is pure automotive poetry, combining the best characteristics of American V8 rumble with European sophistication. According to automotive journalists, this engine produces one of the greatest sounds in automotive history. Performance enthusiasts appreciate the naturally aspirated response and high revving character that turbocharged engines cannot replicate. The throttle response is immediate, and the power builds progressively, without the lag or complexity of forced induction. This represents the last generation of high-performance, naturally aspirated engines, before emissions regulations killed them. Some owners perform the timing chain service proactively at 80,000 miles, treating it as expensive scheduled maintenance rather than waiting for failure. These proactive owners often achieve 200,000 plus miles with their engines, proving that the fundamental design is sound when properly maintained. The exclusivity factor also appeals to certain enthusiasts. As these engines become rarer due to scrapping and abandonment, remaining examples gain collector appeal. Some view the maintenance costs as the price of admission to an exclusive club of naturally aspirated V8 ownership. The modern parallel, lessons unlearned. The 4.2-liter V8 FSI's design philosophy continues to influence modern German engines, creating new generations of maintenance nightmares that mechanics refuse to service. German manufacturers seem incapable of learning from this catastrophic example. Modern BMW N63 and S63 engines place turbos in the hot V configuration, creating similar accessibility nightmares when turbochargers fail. Mercedes M156 engines suffer from head bolt corrosion that requires complete engine disassembly to repair. These designs prioritize packaging over serviceability, repeating the 4.2-liter FSI's fundamental mistake. The trend toward increased complexity and reduced serviceability continues across German manufacturers. Engines are designed for optimal performance and packaging during development, with little consideration for long-term maintenance reality. This philosophy creates incredible machines that become worthless when repairs are needed. According to automotive industry analysis, German manufacturers deliberately design engines that are expensive to service outside of warranty periods. This planned obsolescence generates revenue through new car sales when repair costs exceed vehicle values. The 4.2-liter V8 FSI represents an early example of this strategy. The lesson that German manufacturers refuse to learn is that engineering brilliance means nothing if the machine cannot be maintained affordably. The 4.2-liter V8 FSI could have been legendary if the timing chains were accessible. Instead, it became a cautionary tale about the dangers of over-engineering without considering practical serviceability. The Audi 4.2-liter V8 FSI represents everything right and wrong with German engineering philosophy. This naturally aspirated masterpiece produces incredible power, sounds amazing, and delivers driving experiences that modern turbocharged engines cannot match. But the fatal decision to place timing components at the back of the engine transforms routine maintenance into financial catastrophe. Mechanics refuse to work on these engines because the repair economics make no sense. 40 hours of labor to access components that should take 4 hours to replace. According to Consumer Reports data, This single design flaw has destroyed thousands of otherwise excellent vehicles and created a generation of mechanics who run away when they see a B6 or B7 S4. The 4.2-liter V8 FSI proves that engineering brilliance without serviceability consideration creates machines that are destined to die young, no matter how perfect they are when running properly. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, and if you like content like this, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.